Wow, this museum is so big. I am happy to be here. Ah, it is so big. Ah, I like this place.
Come on, let's go inside.
Look, children. This place is beautiful. Wow! Look at this! It is gold.
This is the golden scepter. It belongs to a king.
It is very beautiful. Look at the cobra head. Do not touch the glass. This is very special.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Hello, I am Lewis. I protect the gold.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Lewis.
Thank you for your work. You are welcome, sir.
That man looks angry.
Don't worry. That is Director Cole.
He looks scary. Yes, stay with me. Mom, can we go to the restroom, please? I want to go too, Mom. Yes, go fast. Be careful.
We will wait here.
Okay, Dad. Peter! What is that? I do not know. I am scared.
Anna? Peter?
Where are the kids?
We must find them now!
Come with me.
Anna, where is Mom? I don't know. Stay close to me, Peter. This place is dark. I do not like this. Come with me. Okay. Okay. I am with you. Mom! Dad! Can you hear us? Can you hear us? The door is closed. We can't go out. I am scared. Do not cry. I am here. Hide. Someone is coming. Shh. Be quiet. Look over there. I see Director Cole.
Come here. Be quiet.
Who is that man? I do not know.
Yeah.
The scepter.
I have the gold. Put it here. Now, let's go. People will think Lewis took it. Good.
He is stealing the scepter.
He is a bad man.
Yes. We must tell Lewis. Come with me. Slowly, Anna. Be quiet.
What was that?
Do not let him see us. This way. Lewis, where are you? I see a room with light. Lewis! Lewis!
Director Cole has the scepter!
What happened?
Director Cole took the scepter. He went that way.
The scepter is in the black bag.
Stay here. Let me see. Huh. I see him now. Let's stop him here. A dinosaur? Is it real? Help me!
Stay away from me!
It works! Wow!
Yeah, it worked.
He is very scared.
Good. Stay behind me. Whoa! Argh! What the? No, 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 no! Oh, I'm trapped! I'm trapped! Wah! No. Not again.
Look! He cannot run!
Police station, search yourself off.
Police, come to the back hall now.
Please hurry.
Move in. Stop! Put your hands up. Okay, okay. You are under arrest. The scepter is safe.
My children! You are safe. Thank God.
You are very brave, kids.
We were so worried.
I am okay, Mom. I love you.
We are safe now.
The museum is safe now. Thank you, Anna and Peter.
You are welcome, Mr. Lewis. Goodbye. See you next time.